What's up, SOURSLICEs? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have another unboxing for you guys from Brick Republic again. In today's unboxing I've got some World War II related stuff because I'm gonna be doing of something World War II related as a video. So let's get ahead, and before we actually open up this package, I need to tell you guys about Brick Republic. So if you don't already know who Brick Republic are, they are the #1 reseller for Brick Arms products. So basically the official reseller for Brick Arms. And if you know Brick Arms, all the guns and stuff they make, this is the most trusted area you can get them. And you know, they always have these Brick Arms products. You never have to like wait on anything. So instead of using some other websites, which I won't name, I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, you could use Brick Republic because they're just better. And I'll tell you the reasons why I'd actually prefer to use Brick Republic over a lot of those other Lego gun retailers. So Brick Republic have free shipping on your orders if you spend more than 30 US or 39 Canadian dollars. So basically, guys, if you're spending $25 on guns, instead of spending the $5 or more on shipping, you could spend the extra money on the guns and get the shipping completely free, so you get more for the exact same price. Brick Republic also ship worldwide, so it doesn't matter if you live in the United States. Also, another reason to use Brick Republic is if you want, you can use our code SOURSLICE at checkout to save yourself 10% on any order. So no matter the price of your order, you can save 10%. But I'd recommend using the code on orders that cost more, because if you use this 10% code, you can actually save more the more you spend, rather than using it on an order that isn't spending much. But anyways, guys, I'll leave a link to them at the top of the description. Check out Brick Republic. Alright, guys, so back to the unboxing. So right here, as you can see, we've got the package. Now, I've already gone ahead and opened this and taken a look inside. I will zoom out the camera a little bit, just like that. Now, I've already opened this so I can do something cool to these guns, because when I get Brick Arms guns, I like to customize them. So let's say here's an old one I already had. It's a regular Kar 98K. I actually need to do this. It's a regular Kar 98K, but I actually like to draw black on the parts of the gun that would be metal. So let's go ahead and open up this package, just like this. So once we dump it out, there we go. The bag of stuff. Now, Brick Republic, another thing I like about them is they always give you free guns no matter your order. So if you're ordering one thing or 20 things, they'll give you a free random product, and they come in cool colors. So right here, our free products are this 1911, this brown 1911, and this golden AK with a scope and a bayonet. Look how cool that looks. That's pretty epic right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this. And right here is a Brick Arms RPD. I will get to that after. So first, we'll go ahead and dump all this stuff. Now, as you can already see, these things have black accents on them because I've already drawn on them. But right here, so we'll start off with these vests. So here we have a paratrooper vest and just like a German war vest. These are for World War II figures, or for like robber figures I'm going to use. So as you can see, pretty cool. I'll put them over here in the back. I decided to order 4 M1 steel pot helmets, World War II helmets. As you can see, I'll go ahead and put them on a minifigure right here. We'll just put them on this zombie. So as you can see, they fit minifigure heads nicely. Just like that. So I got 4 of those. I'll go ahead and put them in the back. Right here is an M21 or an M14 Sniper Rifle. I don't exactly remember, but it's very cool. It's got a magazine, external magazine, and like a scope on it. It's all black. It looks very nice. Right here we have an M1903 Sniper Rifle. Very cool. It's got a really long scope on it. It's bolt action, so I decided that this would be cool. I would have got it in brown, so I could have, you know, drawn on all the bolts and stuff, but it still does look pretty cool in black. So next thing, I got 2 M1 Garands, as you can see. I decided to color on them with the black, just as like the metal accents. They are very cool guns. And just like everything else, they do fit into minifigure's hands. As you can see, just like that. Fits right in his hands perfectly, with no like play or anything. They fit very snugly, and you can easily just take them off, so they don't fit too hard in their hands. You can just take it off, but they're not also too loose, so it just falls out. Next up, we have 2 M1A1s. I got the para version because I like the stock on these ones more, the skeleton stock. So if you look at those, these have a magazine on them, a cool folding stock. Well, it doesn't actually fold in the Lego, but in real life, I'm pretty sure it's a folding stock. On the sides, you can see both sides. Very cool. Very small details on the Brick Arms guns. Let me zoom in really quickly. If you look on the Brick Arms guns, you can see details on them, such as the little bolt and everything. Very cool. Next thing I decided to get was this M14 Sniper Rifle, because I thought it looked pretty cool. As you can see, very long barrel. It's got a small little scope right here, attached onto the side. This one I actually haven't done the black drawings on it yet. But as you can see, it's bolt action just like a lot of the other guns, because this is from World War II as well. And I think this gun is very cool. Right here I have a lever action rifle, so I was going to give this to like a cowboy minifigure, because I also just like lever action guns, because they're very cool. If you look closely there in the light, you can see that there's actually a little hole right there. There you go, you can see it perfectly, where the bullet shells would eject once you pull this lever. Very cool, just like every other gun, fits into a minifigure's hands. As you can see, very nice. Right here we have a Kar98K Sniper Rifle. I like this one because it has the scope on it. And I already have a Kar98K, just not Sniper Rifle variant. This one is very cool looking, as you can see. I might make a video on how to customize your Brick Arms guns, just so I can give you guys a little tutorial on how I actually do this. But yeah, that's the Kar98K Sniper. Here's a M9 pistol that I got in gunmetal, but I actually decided to draw a little bit of black on the handles right there, just for a little bit of added detail. I thought it looked very nice. So as you can see, it looks just like a regular M9, a real life one. You've got your slide and everything, your hammer here at the back. Trigger, everything is detailed, everything is nice. You've even got a little magazine at the bottom. It doesn't come out, but it is detailed like separately from everything. And so I also decided to get 3 tripods just to put like attached to sniper rifles or LMGs, just like that. I'll put them over here. And now the final gun I ordered was this RPD. This isn't World War II related. This is just a gun I decided to get for some minifigures. So as you can see, you can attach the magazine just like that. And the bipod goes, it's stuck in between the floor. The bipod just goes attached to the front right there. As you can see, very nice RPD light machine gun. Just like that. So anyways, guys, that does it for this video. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. I actually need to say some words to get the comments. So, damn and hell. There you go. Now I have comments. Now you guys can actually comment. And now I'll actually make a little bit of money off this video, because kids' videos don't make anything.